Today, I'm going to draw a character using my vintage laptop and a tablet. Xencelabs company sent me their epic drawing tablet to try and review. So, let's unbox it. This tablet comes with two high-quality battery-free pen, a pen holder, and other accessories. This is the epic quick key remote and a magic box with tons of things on it. Oops, wait, there's more? Wow, a bag! Look at that! This is so epic, Xencelabs. Now, let's set up the tablet real quick and install the software because I can't really wait to use it.
Accessing.
That was easy. To draw, I'll be using Medibank Paint Pro because this software is incredible and it's free. Brothers and sisters, it's time to sketch. As we always do, I'm going to start with the basic lines and shape and add the details later on. The proportion is done. Now, it's time to add all the details. Wow, this tablet is really mind-blowing. Now, let's draw the crocs. My sketch is done. My brothers and sisters, it's time to color. Oops, no. Because today, I'm going to use the color wheel. Sorry for this time, alcohol markers. I will start coloring the cap and skin, and that will set as my color guide for the rest of the drawing. While coloring, I'm going to share with you 3 things that I like with Xencelabs Drawing Tablet. By the way, Xencelabs didn't pay me to do this video, so expect for my unbiased thoughts about this tablet. First thing that I like with this tablet is the design and quality. You will see and feel that they use the high quality materials to make this product, and the design is really sick. Second thing that I like are the features, because you can use it without cables, the pen has eraser and pressure sensitivity, and also the quick keys is a game changer. Third thing that I like is how it worked. It's really did a good job and it's the smoothest pen and tablet that I ever used so far. Overall, my rate to Xencelabs is 10 over 10. I really recommend this tablet to everyone planning to do digital art because it's only cost $360 for the whole bundle and you will get a really great quality. By the way, this is my vintage laptop. For the smooth transition of light to dark color, I'm using the airbrush.
Too busy with the schemes on the telling of my dreams on the rail, bitch. I grind like my life's on the line, hella wire. So far through with the light sticks, we open up when the light flicks.
Now it's time to color my favorite part of the drawing, the socks and crocs. Yeehaw!
Make it count, tell the label I need 3, 4, 5, better count it back out loud. What we getting in me for the night? I never hit reply, but it read, I just wanna feel alive. Life is so much more than the bills. I just want a house in the hills. I just wanna look into her eyes while I'm gripping on them thighs, so she knowing that it's real.
Let's find the color for the crocs.
To be my future kids. And I got these lame niggas crossed cause I'm starving, they gotta see my highlight, real. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Everything in it rose gold, it might go for me.
Oh, I really like how the character turning out, so let's keep working on it. Coloring is done. Now it's time for the sexy lines. Yeehaw! Doing sexy lines using this tablet is really satisfying.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey you want us.
Let's finish the sexy lines real quick because I can't wait to show you my best character so far. Don't forget to add your signature, and now enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
For my Benjamins, I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Bim Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave, and I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. Know the season what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade, and I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit.